Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2820. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. If you check this printer, it's already in a wireless mode, and this is the reason why this Wi-Fi light is flashing. If you are setting this printer up for the first time, if you want to put this printer in a wireless mode, if the Wi-Fi light is not flashing, then you need to press Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds. Okay, and now what we need to do is we want to set this up using the mobile device. And to do this, first of all, you need to download HP Smart App on your mobile phone. Go to your Play Store, type HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. It's already downloaded on my phone, so click it open, and it's getting ready. Okay, and this is HP Smart App. So what you need to do is you need to go on top and select the plus sign. Now choose a type of printer to add to HP Smart. Set up a new printer or add a printer that is already set up. So this printer, we are setting it up for the first time, so we need to select the first one. Get started. How do you want to connect this printer? You need to select Wi-Fi network and select continue. The next thing is get printer ready to connect. Select continue. Use location data. Select OK. Now allow HP Smart App to access device location. Select Y using this app. Turn on Bluetooth. Select continue. HP Smart App is asking to turn on Bluetooth. Select allow. Now it's turning Bluetooth on. Okay, and they found the printer. Once you've done everything fine, you can see HP Deskjet 2800 series is found. So select on it. Now the next thing to do is we need to put the connect printer to Wi-Fi network, and they pick up the closest Wi-Fi network available within the vicinity. So now what we need to do is to put the password. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? The password is the same password you are using for your mobile network or computer in your office or in your own home. And I have the information here. You can also get the password from the back of your network router. So I'm going to type in the information, the password number, then we'll go from there. I also want to mention that this is case sensitive. If we ask you to put a small letter, then put a small letter. If we ask you to put a capital letter, do the same thing. And once you put the information finish, you can also select the I sign for you to see the information. Double check it just to make sure you got the information correct, because if you miss any data, it will not connect. And I'm happy with it. Once you've done that, then select continue, and it will start to find the printer. Printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Now press and release the flashing information button. So the next thing to do is you press and release the flashing information button. Press it once. Okay. And preparing the printer. Printer prepared. The next on the list is obtaining IP address. So it's obtaining IP address. And is actually connected. If you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light is no longer flashing. Printer is connected, but you need to wait for the connection. You see, printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Okay, printer connected to Wi-Fi network. So the next thing to do is need to select continue. Connected printing service, accept all. Connecting to HP service. Introducing HP Plus. Now activate HP Plus for smart capability, printing capability. So in terms of HP Plus, print from anywhere, 24/7 print security with remote monitoring, mobile scan, get printing the balance and impact. What I will do is do not activate HP. It's not compulsory. Decline HP Plus. Decline HP Plus. Okay, select continue. Registering your printer. Welcome to HP account. Please wait. Okay, you have, remind me in 2 weeks time. So you have your printer include 2 months of instant ink delivery. So what I'm going to do not enable ink delivery. It's not compulsory. Skip offer. This is if you want to use pay as you go. Select auto update and select apply. Okay, time to install ink, which we have done this. We have stored the ink. Okay, select continue. Print and scan adjustment paper. Alignment already completed. Finish setup. Setup complete. Let's print. So select print a document. Okay, and select print. Here we go. Now it's printing the document. The next thing is in terms of print from other device, not right now. Setup complete, all done. And this is the printer, HP Deskjet 2820 series, and this is the ink cartridges level. It's printing out welcome information. Here we go. So this is how to set this printer up, and this printer is ready. The only thing is in terms of HP instant ink, what I choose is pay as you go. Once the ink finishes, then I buy another ink. But if you want to ink subscription, then you can select it, but it's not compulsory. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to set this printer up to Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone. What I want to do now is to add this printer to the laptop. Okay, so this printer is HP Deskjet 2820. What you need to do is you need to go to your laptop, okay, Microsoft Store, and type HP Smart App. Download it on your laptop. Okay, so HP Smart App is downloaded on my laptop and is getting ready. To add this printer, you need to select plus by the side, select add. Okay, once you select add, it will start to look for available printer. So what it's doing now is looking for available printer, searching for printers. When the available printer display, select the printer you want to set up. Here we go. HP Deskjet 2820 series is available. So you found the printer, okay, and once you found it, it will show you a dot, a green dot. So you need to select the printer. Select on it. Printer setup. Getting printer driver information. This might take a few minutes. So it's getting the printer driver information. Now select printer and scanner and continue. Launch printer and scanner using the button below. So launch printer and scanner. Okay. Now the next thing to do, you need to select add a device. Select HP Deskjet is connecting. connected the printer, it will show you here. So the next thing to do is to going to print the document for us to see this. So print document, and you will see supported file. Select OK. Now I need to go and select the document you want to print out. So I'm going to select, go to downloads, then Vinyl TV tutorial, select print. Then you wait for the printer to be ready. You need to scroll down from the side to select HP Deskjet 2820 series. It's available. Select on it. Select. This is 2 pages of document. Okay, 2 pages. So you select portrait and also select the particular paper, A4, plain paper, and other things you want to do. If you also want to print this double-sided, you can also select double-sided, print on both sides, and select print. Document is printing. Okay, now we are printing on both sides. Okay, so to print on both sides, so you need to take the document back with the information this way, facing it. Okay, so if you want to print on both sides from this paper, you need to make sure the information, once you print it out, make sure it's this way so that the document will go in and print out from this end, the second page. Okay, and select continue. From the laptop, select continue to print the second page. Here we go. So this is how to, once you connect the printer to the Wi-Fi network, to add a laptop. So just need to add the laptop. Okay, it will set the printer that is available on the network, then you add it to the laptop. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.